Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home. Today's video, as you must have guessed already, it's going to be a facial routine and I'm traveling currently. I'm not in India right now. I am in Nepal and that's why this background. If you have not watched this video, go give it a watch so you will understand why I'm in Nepal and all of that. But I felt the need of doing something to my skin because I'm here for a month almost and the weather is drastically changed ever since we've come here. And when you travel, your skin anyway gets so clogged and suffers a lot. So this facial was really needed because I have come here for a wedding and wedding kafi paas aate ja rahi, so this is like the perfect time to pamper my skin. And yes, I have nothing on my face right now because I thought why not just film a skincare routine without having anything on my face. And I'm really comfortable coming on camera with my flaws on. I just have some lipstick and an eyebrow product, otherwise there is nothing, no base product on my face currently. And I'm gonna use all Cheryls cosmeceutical products. I'm really excited to use this facial kit. This is just for 300 rupees. This is like the perfect summer skincare routine, I would say. I'm gonna talk in depth about all of these products. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm filming in natural light so you guys can see all the flaws unedited, and I'm gonna use all the Cheryls cosmeceutical products, and I'm very excited for this facial kit. I've already opened it, I've not used it, and there are 7 steps in this. And honestly, my skin does need a facial, a good facial, because when you travel, your skin goes for a toss. Trust me on that. And as you guys can see, my skin is kind of clogged. I don't know if it's catching on camera, though there are no pimples right now, touch wood, but my skin does feel a little clogged and extremely dry. And this facial kit is meant to rejuvenate dry, mature and dull skin, which is exactly my skin, and it also hydrates and lightens any dark spots. Now the wedding is nearby, so I have to do this facial, and it is very affordable. It's for 300 rupees. That's what I love about Cheryls cosmeceuticals, is that their products are effective and also affordable. And yeah, let's get started. I'm really excited. So the first step is of course gonna be a gel, a cleansing gel. This pH balanced gel cleanses the skin and prepares for exfoliation. Take a good amount. Okay, I've washed my face. My face feels so soft, you guys. Trust me on that. Let's move on to the second step, and that is Oxyblast Deep Peel. So the active ingredient in this is papain, and this peel helps to exfoliate dead skin cells and rejuvenate your skin. So I am supposed to use the entire content on my face, massage for 2 minutes with steam, and for 3 minutes without steam, wipe off with damp cotton. Now I don't have the steam with me right now because of course I'm traveling. So I am just gonna massage it for 2 minutes and then we're gonna call it a day. Guys, I am not exaggerating. If you trust me, just trust my words. I had so many flaky patches on my nose and they are vanished. So this is Oxyblast Skin Oxygenator. So used after cleansing, and this lotion revives the skin and makes it look fresh. So I thought it's gonna be a serum, but can you guys see it's almost water. And I'm just gonna use this all over my skin and neck. Okay, the fourth step is going to be the Oxyblast Rejuvenating Serum. This serum has actives that soothe, moisturize and help in skin firming. Okay, step 4 is also done. We are almost coming to the end of this facial. Step 5 is a vitamin E mask. This is the Oxyblast Deep Penetrating Mask. The active ingredient is vitamin E. Alright, and the last step of this facial is Oxyblast Radiance mask. This mask tightens and brightens the skin instantly. Alright you guys, I've taken off the mask and look at my skin. It's just so bright. Oh my god, I am definitely gonna repurchase this product. And now that I have washed my face, I need to moisturize it or like use a light serum, and then I'm going to seal the deal with the sunscreen. So for that I am using this sunscreen, which is the Derma Shade Broad Spectrum UVA and UVB SPF 30 spray for all skin types. I have already spoken about this long back, but before that I'm gonna use this serum. This is the O2C2 Radiance Lotion. This is how it looks like. This special formulation is to enhance natural radiance and shine of the skin. This serum enhances collagen production, which leads to smoother skin, and it also helps to reduce your fine lines and wrinkles. Plus it's gonna help to correct those dark patches or blotchiness which is caused by sun damage. Now Derma Shade SPF 30 has vitamin C and niacinamide, which is suitable for all skin types including acne prone skin. It helps to reduce spots and brighten your skin. Now we are officially done. We have sealed the deal. Now if you're wondering when to use these products, basically you can use this every day. So after your face wash, you can go in with this serum, like this lotion, and then call it a day with this sunscreen, and that's your like minimal skincare routine. Alright you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if I look tired, that is because I was editing last night and यहाँ पे काफी अच्छे से नींद नहीं पूरी हो रही है because we are sleeping pretty late and we're doing everything by ourselves. तो थोड़ा tiring हो रहा है. That's why I'm looking a little tired in today's video. I'll be leaving the links of all of these products in the description box below. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye.